Hey everybody, Thomas here. Take a look at this hand-hewn barn beam. Take a look at the nails. There's quite a few in here. We tried, sorry about hitting that, but we tried to remove the nails out of here. They were breaking off. So what we're going to go ahead and do is do a 2-inch cut. I believe that should clear us of all nails. This will be our second one that we have cut. The first one we did 1.5 inches, and I hit 5 nails on the first run. Now this is an older blade that I have sharpened, so I'm not overly too concerned about it. But for your viewing pleasure, we're going to go ahead and try cutting this sucker up and see what she does. So wish me luck. Yeah, we're going to do 2 inches off the top. So I thought I cleared that one.
I thought you were clear up to right in here.
We were clear, and then it went really wrong.
Let's see where you hit.
Oh, I only grazed it long ways. It was good until here-ish. There was a nail. It hit it long ways, and it just took the set out. Really, really out. Yeah. But that's what the people want to see. There it is. Hit it long ways, kind of. I don't even know where the.
Yeah, his road caught up.
I don't even know where the head of that came out of, though.
Well, here it is.
Oh, so I cut it in half.
Yeah, there it is right there.
Yep, I'll be son of a gun. Well, should be clear in the next cut.
Yeah, because that's the end of it right there.
Well, there you have it. I thought we were good, and then we weren't. Hey, but it's all fun. Something new on the sawmill. Hey everybody, I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was something new to try. Also this weekend, my wife and I had the pleasure of meeting Matt and his lovely wife Lindsay down in New Orleans with some other makers. Had a great time, very down-to-earth people, and hopefully we'll be able to see them sometime in the future again. Thanks, and we'll see you around.